everyone, welcome back to a review of January's Boxy charm. I keep wanting to call it Ipsy because that's what I know it as, but apparently Boxy charm bought Ipsy, it's a whole thing. So anyway, I haven't gotten a box in probably 2 months, and the last one that I did get had the Holy Grail, which I'm going to keep promoting this iconic palette because it's literally everything. So that one came in that. So thank you to BoxyCharm for that because you literally have made my makeup wet dream come true. This is the January box. Everyone's boxes are different. I got to select because you get 5 full-size products for $29 a month. I believe it's 29, give or take $1. And then I added a few add-ons. I think it was like 3 or 4 items that I added on for a few dollars more here or there. So anyway, this is the Ipsy times BoxyCharm January 2024 box. So in your BoxyCharm, you're always going to get a little info packet. This usually has a general idea of what products came in the box and what and how to use them. This month, it kind of didn't. Normally, it has a breakdown of every single item in the box, but it didn't have that this month. It was just a little bit about what you could expect in each box, which for me, I did get a couple things, because mind you, you do know what you're going to get. It's not like it's a surprise, right? Because you can preview these boxes, so it's not as if I'm like, oh my god, I didn't know I got that. I know all of these products. I picked them all out, except for a few. So this was the first one that I did not get a say in. This was the new Ofra palette, the Signature Palette Luxe. I didn't get a say in this one, and that's honestly okay, because Ipsy knows me pretty well. I've been a customer for about 4 years, so they're pretty spot on when they send me a new product. This is so pretty, and I love Ofra products. I don't know how you pronounce it. I say Ofra, whatever. Oprah, you can say whatever the hell you want. So yeah, this is the Champagne Wishes Come True palette. This is so pretty. So for me, I am more a natural girl, bronzers, natural tints, things like that. I don't believe that we use makeup to cover up insecurities. I don't think you should use makeup for that reason. I think you should use it to accent the beauty you already have. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using a couple of these products. The Rodeo Drive is really, like, I think my favorite one because it's kind of shimmery and I like that, and it brightens up your face. And it's January in Michigan. It is extremely cold and so miserable. Anything that you can do to make yourself look a little brighter, a little bit more tan, it just makes us all feel better. So I'm really excited to use this palette. Moving on to the next one is I'm going to do all the makeup first, and then I'm going to go over and do the skincare with you next. So the next one is this is a Laura Mercier shadow stick. I'm really not a fan of a lot of eyeshadow sticks because I find that they crease a little too much, but this one I've heard really good results, and look at how pretty she is. I mean, seriously, she is gorgeous. That is some pretty packaging. And this shade is called Bed of Roses, and when you open it, it is so pretty. Look at that shade. That is so pretty. It is giving summer. It gives you summer vibes, totally. I am so excited. And just to swatch that, I mean, seriously, look at that. That is so pretty already. It's so natural looking, but yet so pretty to look at. And from what I'm doing, rubbing it back and forth on my hand, she hasn't moved. So I'm really excited for that. Really, really excited. And then there's going to be follow-up videos with almost all of these products being used in my day-to-day routines. So the next one is a clear brow gel, and this is by Wing Me. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm excited to see how it works. I don't typically use brow gel, but I think anything's worth a try. So we're gonna actually do this like live on camera because I already have my brows done. This is like super lightweight. So anyone who doesn't know what brow gel is or what it does is like it's a sealer for your your eyebrow pencil. So if you fill them in, anything like that, this is really good. And I just got the clear, so that allows me to use whatever shade of um, eyebrow pencil that I want. And again, some days it's darker, some days it's lighter, and it also depends on if I had dyed my hair or bleached it. I used to be blonde, and I used blonde eyebrow pencil back in the day because I like everything to match. So this is one of the add-ons that I chose. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. It's the concealer. And this is, goodness, what shade is this? They don't tell me. But it's the 12N Fair Neutral. It's just a little guy. I wanted to try it just to see because I know everyone's raving about this. So I wanted to try it to see if I liked it. And I'm not 100% sure if this is going to be my shade, but we'll see. Again, all these things are going to be done in real time with my real day-to-day routines. This is the next product. This is the Floss Rise Above. This is a mascara. I've already told you guys in several other videos that I'm a mascara girly, so it takes a lot to impress me. This one is a full size, and this is $18 retail. So it's kind of a little bit more on the inexpensive side, in my opinion. I'm not loving the size of this. I'm not loving the applicator either, and I don't love the smell. It smells like a fiber mascara would smell, and I don't like those. So we'll see. And I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. So this one was what I was really excited about. And like I said, again, you don't get, I'm never surprised with my Ipsy bags when they come because you pick all your products out. So a few weeks back on TikTok made me buy the LYS contour stick. This is in shade Motivate. No Limits Motivate. This is literally everything. This replaced every contour that I ever had. So to get the LYS Lash Confidence mascara, I'm hoping that these two will go hand in hand with each other. I am so excited. And I love the triangular and I love the packaging with these. I also am so excited to see what the product feels like. Oh, yes. It's got a good smell. Doesn't really smell like anything, but I really, really like this brush. I like the angle. I really feel like that's going to get into every little nook and cranny. And I just love the packaging because you could literally use, like if you were on the go, you could use this mascara just like this because it's like a little mirror. You could just go in and just use the tube as a mirror. If you were on the go and you were super busy and you had to do your mascara in the car, at work, whatever it might be, you have your mascara right in the tube. How cool is that? So that's the makeup part. So that's already what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. I got 8 this month. The next one is skincare. This is the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is a hydrate and glow. I really, really love all things serum, all things hydrate, all things glow. And I like tea tree. I just like the way that it feels on the face. And that is the cutest little bottle. Is it not? The cutest little bottle ever. So you don't need a whole lot of really anything. So I'm just going to try a little bit on the back of my hand just to get the feel. Oh yeah. And it actually smells good. Surprisingly, a lot of serums I find don't smell good. They work well, but they don't smell good. This is the Ren Clean Skincare Radiant Glow and Protect Serum. So this they say to put under your eyes. They say that this helps a great deal under your eyes. This is like the scariest tube ever though, guys. Seriously. That is super little. And that is like the tiniest little applicator ever. I don't even know. Like, oh, it just threw up all over me. That's awesome. So at least we found out together that this is crap. So thanks so much. I appreciate that. That is all over me. Oh, we'll just take that and we'll rub that into our hands. Now we have a hand lotion. That's scary, but at least we found out together. Anyone else that has any experiences with that, let me know. And this was not something that I was given from BoxyCharm. This was something I bought. That's terrifying. The last thing is Sweet Chef Celery and Hyaluronic Acid Serum Shot. I already use a celery serum on my face on a regular, and I find it's the coolest sensation on your skin. And look at how pretty that is. It's like it's mine, the one that I use is like a creamy celery. This is not that. This is really, really, really like light, really fluidy. Look at that. I mean, that's nothing. There's super tiny drops. And it actually smells like celery. That is so cool. So that was December's BoxyCharm. I accidentally made a mistake when at the very first of this video. This is actually not January's BoxyCharm. This is December's. So January hasn't come yet. As we know that this is just now starting January. So my bad. This was a review of my December BoxyCharm. Any questions or any tips or tricks of any of these products, feel free to drop a comment below. Otherwise, stay tuned for additional videos on skincare, makeup, and additional videos that I'll do with these products being used on a regular get ready with me. Go out in the world, be great. Even if you had a problem, then you probably should go. Then be quiet.